Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about assignment operators in Dart programming. So these are some of the assignment operators in Dart programming language. So the very first operator is a simple assignment operator which we have been using in our previous videos as well. So let us see with the help of examples. So whenever we define or declare a variable, we give it a name and then we provide equal to operator. So this is nothing but this is a simple assignment operator, and then we assign it a value. So this is the value and then we print it, and then in this way we print this particular value. Let's run this code, Dart keyword and then the name of the program dot the extension, that is Dart, and we press on enter. So as you can see, the value 10 is printed over here, and in this way we put the assignment operator. The next operator is a very important operator. It says that they assign the value only if the variable is null. So sometimes we don't want to assign a value to this particular variable while we are declaring it. Guys, this is called declaration. So whenever we provide the data type followed by the variable name and we do not provide the value of the variable, we are just declaring the variable. In this case, the value is null right now. So let's save this file and run this code over here. So as you can see, the value is null. In some programming languages, it might throw an error saying that it is a null value. And this is a very important feature, guys, of Dart programming language, that whenever a value is null, it gets printed as a null and there is no runtime error, which is also called as null safety in Dart. Now guys, what we are going to do is, let's say if the value is null, then assign it a value. That is, we are going to use this assignment operator, that is 2 question marks followed by a equal to sign, and then let's say we assign it a value as 20, and then we save this and run this code. So as you can see, the value is assigned to 20. Now what is the difference? I mean, you would ask me that you have just assigned a value and it will print the same value that is assigned to A. So let's say we'll take another line of code over here. What I will do is I will put A equal to 10. And then I'll save this file. So as you can see, I have just declared the variable over here. We have assigned the variable a value that is 10, and then what we are going to do is we are again assigning it a value that is 20, but we are going to check, I mean this particular operator is going to check whether the value of A is null or not. So in this case it is not null, so this assignment will not happen and still the value of A will be 10. So I'll save this and run this code for you. So as you can see, the value is still 10, and then if we want to forcefully change the value to 20, we have to remove this and we have to use a simple assignment operator in this way. I'll save this and run this code. So as you can see, the value is 20 over here, and guys, this is the importance of this assignment operator, which helps us in order to know if the value is null, then it will assign this particular value that we give it to the variable, or else it will not be assigned a new value. The next operator is add an assignment. So in this case, I'll show you with the help of examples. In the previous videos, I have shown you the increment operator, increment and decrement operators. So let's say we have the variable A equal to 10, and then we do A plus plus, and then we want to print the value of A. I'll save this and run this code. So the value of A will just increment by 1. So as you can see, the value I have assigned it to 10. So the value over here will be incremented by 1. So as you can see, the original value was 10 and now it is incremented by 1, and then it is assigned a value as 11, and then the same is printed over here. Now what we are going to do is we have something called as assignment operator. Before that, I'm going to show you, let's say if I want to add 10 in the variable A. So what we do is we do A plus 10, and in this case what will happen in this line of code is the original value of A will be taken, which is 10 right now, and then more 10 will be added and the value will be 20 over here in right hand side, and 20 will be assigned to the variable A. I'll save this and run this code. So as you can see, the new value of A is 20, but then guys, the same thing can also be done in another way as well. So I'll just comment this and I'll show you a new way, that is using the add an assignment operator. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the plus followed by equal to operator, and then we are going to provide the value that is 10. I mean by how much value we want to increment this particular variable, that is this particular value, and then we provide the semicolon. To make it more simple, I'll just change the value to 20 over here. So this particular statement is nothing but it is equal to a plus 20. So in this way 20 will be added to the variable value that is 10 right now. Let us save this and run this code. So I'll just clear this and then I'll run this code. So as you can see, the new value is 30, that was 10 plus 20, and in this way we can easily use this add and assignment operator. In the same way we can use the subtract and assignment operator, multiply and assignment, and divide and assignment. So let us check all this with the help of examples. I'll just remove these, and then let's say if we have 20 as the value of a and we want to remove 10 from a. So what we will do is we will use a and then minus operator and then followed by equal to operator and then 10. And then I'll print a statement over here. The latest value of a is $a. Let's save this and run this code. Okay, I missed a semicolon over here. I'll save this and run this. So as you can see, the latest value of a is 10, that is 20 minus 10. Now let us use the multiplication operator. So multiply and equal to operator. So multiply and equal to. So this should be 20 multiplied by 10 and the same value will be assigned to a over here. Let's save this and run this code. So the latest value of a is 200, that is 20 multiplied by 10. Now to divide, we are going to use a / operator and then equal to operator. Let's save this and see the output. So as you can see, we are getting an error. A value of type double can't be assigned to a variable of type int. Guys, this happened because initially we provided the value of a as 20 and now the program knows that the value of a is 20, which is of integer type. So integer data type is assigned to the variable. So now what we are doing is we are dividing 20 by 10. But in the previous videos, as I have explained you, the / that is the divide operator gives you a double data type in return. And in order to get an integer data type in return, we have to use this operator. So this operator followed by a / will give you the quotient of the division, and then if we use the equal to operator, let's see if this particular operator works or not in order to get the integer value. So I'll save this and run this code. So as you can see, the latest value of a is 2, so this is working. So in this case, you have to use this operator in order to have the divide and assignment operator being used for the integer data types. So guys, these are some of the assignment operators that you can use in order to quickly add or subtract some numbers, and also in order to check whether a particular variable is having a null value or not, and if it is having a null value, then we can assign a particular value to that variable. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video we are going to talk about is logical operators in Dart programming. So stay tuned.